meet up with Austin. That guy won practice for sure. All right, guys, we got a 3.5 hour drive to Eastfork. 6 o'clock. We still got to load the bikes up. I say bikes, I'm half asleep. There's only one bike. I'm going by myself. I live in the city. This is the first time I've been up this early in a while because our 3-year-old likes to stay awake until 5. Anyway, I keep hearing roosters crowing. I didn't know we had roosters in the city, but apparently we do. I meant to load up last night so I wouldn't have to do this morning, but here we are. Shout out to Backyard Designs. We got the new graphics kit on here. It looks pretty sick. I'm just waiting on the Guts seat cover. Alright guys, so we have made it to Eastfork. This place is huge. There's like a big cycle shop up there. We've got the bike unloaded. Oh, probably they do all the announcing on that thing. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a quick little tour and then we'll get ready and go out and get some GoPro footage and show you guys the track. We're walking through the tunnel right now. And so after you get to this tunnel, there's like a big deck, like up top. And it's like out in the middle of the track. So I've got this huge spectator deck. And you can see the track, pretty much all of the track from up here. So this is really cool. I've never been to a track that has something like this. Man, it's huge. There's just a track as far as the eye can see. And then there's actually another track over there. And then I also seen like a little pit bike or e-bike track whenever we came in the gate, which is like all the way back over there. But yeah, we're parked right there. And I think Austin, that flies the drones, he's parked over there, so we're gonna go talk to him right quick, and then we'll get geared up and go out there. All right, guys, welcome to the GoPro. We're gonna give you guys a C-Class, little C-Class Eastfork MX track tour. Let's go. Now, I have a bad habit of looking too far down because I'm a novice rider, so I always put the GoPro a little bit up. Alright, so we're gonna go meet up. We're gonna go meet up with Austin. And you're gonna see some of Austin's awesome drone footage in this YouTube video after we give you guys a little track tour. So here's Austin. We got Big Tim over here. He actually won the Kevin Moran's giveaway bike. Pretty cool story. So this is Austin. He's going to be flying the drone right here in just a little bit. Alright, here we go. on anyone. See if we can sneak up the inside. Practice. Woo. Hey, that guy won practice for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that triple next time.
Are you?
Yeah.
Hey, I think it's just cruising.
If I do it, you can follow me.
Okay. I love you, Austin, but I don't like to follow people over jumps. I'm weird. Woo.
Justin Hawksmith. We've been chasing each other around out here, so we'll put some videos up. I'll have a video, and I'm sure he will too. So.
Whew. Got a dirt stash. Started getting dusty there towards the end. Great facility. Vanessa loved it. Rhett loved it. They have a playground, a kids track, like a big track in the back that if it had just rained or something, even that track would have been super fun. But it was just too dusty back there. But big track was awesome all day long until about 3, and then it's just too dusty for my asthma to deal with. But great job with the prep, and everything was awesome. I think there was like over 300 riders or something today, so the track was rough, but it was an absolute blast. I think we got some cool drone footage. I'll have to talk to Austin about it. What up?
Rolling out.
Dude, did the drone footage turn out okay?
Yeah, I got you. I only got your last lap, but I got it perfect, so it's perfect.
Boom.
Yep.
So we got 1 lap for them.
Yep, we got a lap for them. And then I got some laps behind you too that were pretty good. My GoPro wasn't on ultra wide, but it still looks good enough.
Cool.
So,
Eastfork MX, y'all go check them out. It was absolutely awesome. I hope that we got enough footage to make this video enjoyable for you guys. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today's video. We'll catch you at the next track. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.